Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we've got a Toyota 86 and I'm going to show you how to get rid of this big oversized box and replace it with something a bit more reasonable. Let's get into it. So what's the problem? So the 86 comes with a factory mounting box. If you're running a small plate like this, there's a few variations across Australia, it's not going to look very good. Or if you've got something skinny, like a Slimline, it sticks out down the bottom, down the sides, doesn't look great. The only plate it really fits is the full size plate. We're not going to put that on the car, so let's get rid of this and replace it with something a bit smaller so it becomes floating and invisible. The first thing we're going to do is just take off the plates and also take out the box by taking these two bolts out. So we've got the factory box off. Now we've got to deal with these two holes first because they are past the plate. So what you want to do is take out the speed clips and then you can replace it with a plug that we've given you. Now these are black. If you want to, you can go get them painted in white so a little bit more discreet. Do it on both sides and I'll show you how to mount the plinth. Now that we've taken care of the blank holes, we're ready to install our miniature plinth. Now, these are self-locating, so we've basically designed the same shape into the back of it, so it's a perfectly locating part, so there's no guesswork, it fits quite well. What you're going to do now is just mark out two drilling holes on the bottom with a texter, pilot a hole, and then put the screw in. Now that we have the big factory mounting box off and we installed our miniature plinth, it's time to choose the correct bracket that matches your number plate style. So for example, if you're going to run heritage plates, grab a heritage bracket, slimline bracket, etc. We're going to fit some 3 to 4 characters Victorian slimlines. I've got a bracket to suit, which attaches to the plinth, and a plate can go on. Now for the back, it's pretty easy. The 86 comes with the standard Japanese holes, which are 210 millimeters apart, which is commonly found on a lot of plates. So it's just a matter of just getting a bolt, lining it up, and tightening it. The only exception is maybe Japanese plates, because not all states have holes. Like in New South Wales, I know your import plates don't have holes, so you will need a bracket to bolt into those holes first, and that way you can attach the plates to the bracket. So what I'm going to do is I've got a standard size on the back. Maybe the big one just looks a bit better, fills up the space. I've got 2 bolts. I'm going to put a little spacer behind it, so that way the bracket's not going to tap against the car and put more scratches on it. That's how you get rid of the big oversized box, which doesn't match any plate, especially we've got slim lines or very narrow plates like these. Just remember, you need 2 parts. Plinth to suit the car and a bracket to suit your number plate style to complete the mounting system. I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.